Hello everyone, how are you? Hope you're doing well. Thanks for giving me the opportunity uh, for the presentation today. I hope you are doing well today. I will be talking about the strategic position Samsung Electronics business pitch on Samsung. So it will our this presentation will cover the current challenges facing the company, including pressure on the smartphone margins and volatility in the semiconductor market. I will discuss Samsung products market position, financial situation, and the barriers to the entry. Most important, I will present a strategic solution focused on high margin AI and automotive semiconductor automotive semiconductor along with the reason why this strategy makes Samsung a strong investment opportunity. Overall, this presentation show how innovation, efficiency, and strategic focus on help achievement stable growth, shareholder value in the future. So, executive summary. Samsung Electronics is one of the world leading electronics semiconductor companies with a strong global brand, advanced technology, high investment in research and development. However, the company is currently at a critical turning point. While the continue to perform well many areas, it is facing several changes affect long-term profitability. Smartphone profit margin decreasing due to the intense competition um, market situation. At the same time, the semiconductor business highly cyclical, meaning earning can change significantly depend on the market condition. So, in the addition, I'm talking tensions and sustainability regulations are increasing operational risk costs. These challenges have raised the concern among the investors. Response focused on the expanding high margin AI, automotive semiconductors, improving the efficient cost efficiency through smart manufacturing, building strong supply chain reliance. By the aligning innovation by the financial sustainability, Samsung can stabilize revenues, shareholder value, maintain a long-term capability advantage. Um Also, the problems in the problem. Also, the Samsung Electronics has been a global leader in the electronic industry for the many years. It is now under the growing pressure from the multiple directions. One of the major issue is the decline the smartphone profit. In 2024, the smartphone market become highly saturated with the strong competition, limited room for the prices increases. As a result, uh, operating so for disturbance. As a result, operating margin, the mobile division declined. At the same time, the semiconductor business, while opportunity, uh, while the opportunity semiconductor business, the profit will cyclical fluctuate due to the changes of global demand, which is create the instability in the earnings. In the addition, market challenges, Samsung faces rising products cost, geopolitical trade tension, and increasing the environmental sustainability regulation. These factors add the uncertainty which can weaken investor confidence without a clear strategic alignment. These pressure could limit long-term growth, reduce financial strength. I think so. So products and services. I'm talking about the products and services. Operates a highly diversified business model and includes the smartphone, consumer electronics, display panels, also advanced semiconductors. Its flagship Galaxy smartphone are well known globally, serve millions of customers. So at the same time, Samsung is a major supplier of the memory, some memory chips and logic semiconductor user data center, artificial intelligence system, and the industrial applications. One of the Samsung key strength it is the integration, meaning is a control many stages of the production, heavily research on if the controls many strategies from design the manufacture, the company invests the forefront of the advanced manufacturing technologies compared to the competitors like Apple and TSMC. Samsung benefits and the both products by diversification, large scale manufacture. The also the allows the company the balanced consumer demand and the fast growing industrial AI driven opportunities. So I'm also talking about barriers to the entry. Barriers to the entry. The electronics and the semiconductor business is that poses the significant, which is strongly protects established the company like Samsung. First, the level of the capital investment required extremely high. The advanced semiconductor fabrication plants cost billions of dollars and the years of development. Secondly, technology involved the highly complex of the product, extensive intellectual property rights. Samsung hold a large portfolio of the patient has invested heavily in research on the development of the in the capabilities. In addition, Samsung benefit global scale manufacturing, long-term suppliers, relationships, and scale manufacturing, long-term strong and brand reputation. These advantages create a cost of cannot easily replicate. As a result, Samsung maintain a strong defensible market position and both existing competitors and potential new entrants. So we are talking about the margin, or talking about the market size. The market size, the global electronics and semiconductor is very large, continue to grow rapidly. The industrial value of more than of 600 billion US dollar, so expected to grow 10% per year. This growth mainly driven by the rising of demand of artificial intelligence, electrical vehicles, automotive, the smartphone, among all the segments. The semiconductor market, the growing the fastest due to the increase of data processing need, the digital transformation, digital transformation across the industries. Advanced chips, node essential of AI system could compute the smart infrastructure. Samsung is well strong semiconductor capability, so diversified electronics portfolio. By focusing on advanced chip production, innovation solutions, the company can capture a significant share of the future growth. So I'm talking about financial plan. In 2014, electronics earning the revenue of KRW 300 trillion. So Korean once supported by the diversified business structure, the company maintained a strong liquidity position with the highly ratio of compared of industry averages. This means sorry, this means industry average. This means Samsung significant short-term access to the meet obligation. However, despite this financial strength, profitability has been affected by the falling of smartphone margins. So we are talking about the uh, in the case of my the reason to invest on behalf of me, Samsung Electronics present a strong investment case based on the three key reasons. First, the rapid growth in AI, automotive semiconductor demand creates significant long-term opportunity as a global demand. So, as a global demand, advanced computing, electric vehicles, increasing company with a strong semiconductor capabilities will benefit of most. Most second one is Samsung has a strong balance sheet with a substantial cash reserves and diversified revenues across the electronic semiconductor. This financial strength helped to the company observe market fluctuations and maintain stability during the economic downturns. Third, Samsung long-term commitment to the sustainability, including carbon neutrality goals and continued investment in the research and development, sports future competitiveness by the focusing on high-margin semiconductor segments by uh, segments and the responsible business practicing. Samsung is well positioned to deliver sustainable and returns. Thank you and have a good day, sir and ma'am.